Hi, good morning. So, meron po akong very good news from our side. Yay! Meron na nagbayad po sa amin na company. Meron na naka-appreciate ng effort namin para din sa payroll system na ginagawa namin. Sobrang happy po ng puso kasi meron na nag-validate na client na they're happy with our service. So, I am really happy. So, parang natutunan ko na, wag ka lang talagang susuko and do your best effort para sa customer. Imposibleng hindi nila ma-appreciate. Good customers will follow if you serve them right. So, as in, alagaan mo siya, do extra mile. Lagi ko po mga sinasabi sa previous videos ko. Ngayon, parang, ayun, meron na pong nagtiwala. Sobrang happy, sobrang fulfilling. Hindi po ito yung mga nakakayaman na level, pero at least, alam niyo po yun, validated yung effort. Yung thank you nga lang yung na-appreciate nga lang nila, yung natulungan namin sila sa payroll process nila, yung maging happy sila. Sobrang fulfilling na. Kasi ibig sabihin, merong ginagawang maganda yung company namin. So, I'm so happy. So again, basta yung customer-centric ang pairalin, alagaan talaga ng sobrang customer, do extra mile, alam mo yun, gawin mo yung best mo or yung appropriate things para masatisfy sila. But I also know na meron talaga mga customers na hindi po talaga nakokontento. Meron din naman kaming fair share for that kind of story, pero ayun nga po, talagang ganun. I think that's just a challenge for you to do more, and perhaps marirealize mo rin naman na ayaw mo na if ever one day pag hindi talaga worth it yung nangyayari. Pero yun lang, I'm so happy. So, dalawa lang daw po kasi yun. First is you learn, then after that, you remove the L, and then you'll earn. So ngayon, ayun, medyo may konting progress, pero marami pa, malayo pa. Pero hindi lang titigil. So, ayun. Perseverance, dedication, alamin mo lang talaga yung gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. For my side, I would like to talk to customers, find their pain points, find how our company will help them in a way, and I believe na money will follow after that. Pero once you serve your purpose na makatulong, to make it not about you, about your company, but to make it about them, about how you will going to help them, how you will going to make them satisfy. That, alam mo yun, yung parang mahiya na silang hindi magbayad dahil sobrang dami mo nang nagawa for them. And you'll find good customers. Karma will follow. Good karma will follow if ever you are putting all your efforts into something, you're putting your heart into something, imposibleng hindi mag-follow yung good karma sa'yo. Ayan, i-guide ka ni God towards to good customers, happy and, not happy, but customers that are just, fair. Yun lang. Don't wish that it would be easy. Kasi I don't think that it will be easy. And hindi rin siya magiging mas madali along the way. But you'll learn more, you'll learn a lot of things along the way. Yung journey, ingatan mo, i-feel mo lang yung journey, high and down, sobrang daming challenges, but again, at the end of the day, hindi naman puro laging talo. So, ayun, yun lang po yung gusto kong i-share. Kaya, find your purpose. Find your purpose. Find what will make you go forward. Then, once na nakita mo na yun, I don't think na you will going to lose path kung saan mo talaga gustong pumunta or kung ano yung gusto mong gawin, rather. So, yun lang po. Thank you sa pakikinig. Thank you. Bye.